Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, I will talk about rock salt. In Sanskrit, rock salt is called as Saindava Lavanam. In Hindi, it is called as Senda Namak, and in Malayalam, it is called as Induppa. So, what is the importance of rock salt? Ayurveda recommends the regular use of rock salt in your day-to-day cooking, and Ayurveda considers rock salt is the best type of salt that you can use on a regular basis. Why it is having that much importance in Ayurveda? That is going to discuss in today's topic. So what is the importance of this salt in our body, or sodium? Because sodium is an important mineral that is needed in our body for various functions. It is very essential for the functioning of our heart, contraction of muscles, nervous system, for our kidney, etc. Whereas eating too much of salt is bad for our health because it will increase our blood pressure, it will hamper the function of our heart, kidney, liver, it will hamper our immune system. On the other hand, eating very low sodium can also be life threatening. So it is very important to choose the right type of salt and the right amount of salt that you have to include in your regular diet. According to Ayurveda, there are 5 types of salt. That is Saindavam, Samudram, Sauvarchalam, Vida and Audbidam. Among these 5 types of salt, Saindava Lavanam is the best salt and the purest variety of salt that can be used in our regular cooking because it contains plenty of health benefits. Chemically, this rock salt is called as sodium chloride. Around 90 to 98% of rock salt is sodium chloride, and balance 2% it corresponds to around 84 types of minerals. The main minerals are magnesium, manganese, calcium, iron and zinc, and it contains very low percentage of iodine. Saindava Lavanam is obtained from the mines by breaking stone like material, and it is commonly available in Sindh, Himalaya, that is present day Punjab province in Pakistan. In markets, it is available in the form of Himalayan pink salt. According to Ayurveda, rock salt has got plenty of benefits, and it is clearly described in Ayurvedic classical texts the importance of rock salt. You can see the importance of rock salt in Ashtanga Hridayam, Charaga Samhidam, Sushruta Samhidam and Bhava Prakasha Nigandu. Today I will just explain you a verse about Saindava Lavanam which is given in Bhava Prakasha Nigandu. Saindavam Lavanam Swadu Deebanam Pajanam Lagu Snigdam Ruchyam Himam Vrishyam Sukshmam Netyam Tridosha Hrit. Rock salt will balance tridoshas, that is Vadam, Pittam and Kabam, and it is the only variety of salt that has cooling effect on our body. Rock salt has digestive stimulant properties. It promotes digestion and increases appetite. Rock salt is an antacid, so it will reduce the production of acid in your stomach, and it will help those people who are suffering with acid reflux. Rock salt will help to reduce intestinal gas, flatulence and abdominal distension. Rock salt is used in various Ayurvedic medicinal preparation mainly for diseases like stomach ache, abdominal cramps, acidity, heartburn, etc. Rock salt is a fat burner. It will improve your metabolism, thereby will reduce your food cravings, and it will improve your insulin sensitivity. So those who wish to reduce their body mass can use rock salt in their daily dishes. And according to Ayurveda, rock salt is Vrishyam. That means it has got aphrodisiac property. So it is especially beneficial for males because it will improve the function of male reproductive organs, and it will improve the quality and quantity of sperm. And rock salt is also beneficial for our eyes. Rock salt will also improve the muscle function. It will reduce muscle spasm and muscle sprains. It will improve the function of your nervous system, and at the same time it will help you to reduce inflammation over your joints. And gargling with rock salt helps to relieve sore throat, and it is good for eliminating dry cough and excessive phlegm from our throat. Next common question about rock salt is whether rock salt contain iodine. As I said earlier, rock salt contain very less amount of iodine. So those people who doesn't have iodine deficiency can take rock salt. About rock salt is whether rock salt is potassium sulfate. No, rock salt is not potassium sulfate. It is around 98% sodium chloride and 2% trace elements. And according to World Health Organization, the maximum sodium intake in adults should be 2 grams per day, which equals to almost 1 teaspoon, that is 5 grams of salt per day. For fat burning, you can take around 1 glass of pure buttermilk, 2 pinches of rock salt, 5 numbers of curry leaves and 5 numbers of mint leaves, and grind it in the mixture and have this drink regularly. This will help you to reduce your fat on a faster way. These are the health benefits of rock salt. So try using rock salt in your daily cooking. And if you have any doubts regarding rock salt, you can write it over the comment box section. I will try to reply. Thank you.